This is the ozone. Florida, keep it cypher like in arena. I told you the South's hot.
Yo, what up? Grind Time, Florida. We in the South. So what up,
GrizzleMania, the motherfucking main event, your boy. Triple Stack King. You got my man D-Rex, creator, the two creators of Grind Time, D-Rex and Mad Hills. Give him respect, you feel me? I ain't gonna waste no time with the bullshit. All I'm gonna say is worldstarhiphop.com, alright?
I Am King clothing line.
We did.
You
we
know.
did when you see me all damn day.
You know.
On my left-hand side, represent Florida. Give it up for the motherfucking king.
Grinders up in the trap of bubble, trying to get they stacked a double puzzle cause they have to hustle.
Yeah. On my right, y'all seen him before. This cat's a fucking maniac. Representing the Fresh Coast, West Coast, Locksmith.
Take your frontal lobe, press it in like a dresser drawer. This is what you call hip hop in its rarest form.
You got this, man. You're on the right. Get the call in there. Call it. Okay.
Oh shit, let me do it again.
You going first?
I go first. Check it out. Johnny be good. Johnny be gay. Johnny waxes eyebrows like every 3 days. But Johnny be dead fucking with Locksmith's dinner. I think Johnny B better off working at Epcot Center. But Johnny B believing what his friends be saying. You let these niggas gas you up, you probably think I was playing. But Johnny be cool and just comply with an arm before I put my motherfucking fist in the eye of the storm. Fuck a battle rap, bitch. I want some Orlando magic. Give me 2 Latin hoes, make an Orlando sandwich. But since I'm flying Han Solo, I'ma let Orlando have it. And treat this faggot like Kobe did the Orlando Magic. Shit, I'm murking you, Turkaloo, shooting till your head's gone. Bury you in the floor, put a sombrero on your headstone. Book a mariachi band, tell them this is for La Raza. But instead of throwing flowers, they gonna be throwing chips and salsa. Nigga, I'm a monster, Cali to the heart. You don't want to battle rap, you want to valet park. Cause when I was on tour, fucking freaks like a rock star, you was on a farm, fucking chic in Nicaragua.
Yo, get it on you,
Look. Look, in this battle, you getting destroyed. Now, too bad it's a cappella, because we can use some bass for that transsexual voice. Shit, you got a face full of feminine traits, and your sexual preference is like your nose. It's never been straight. Yeah, this cat thinks he a true G. Go ahead and Google Frontline. You'll only find shit to remove fleas. So when my dog gets a tick on his balls, that'll be the only time that I give you a call. You did good, you did good in a couple battles. Now you thinking you raw? Shit, passwords let you live. I'ma finish you off. Look, Lush must have grabbed your keys off of the shelf. Cause how you locksmith, but you can't open doors for yourself. Look, yo, for disrespecting, I'ma teach Smith a lesson till they kick him off the front line and send him back to boot camp like Smith and Wesson. Yo, so let's see if he's acting cocky after I cop back and pop lock like a Jabberwocky. I'ma send your dead giraffe body back to your faggot posse so this Jurassic Haji won't be living on his quest back from Johnny.
Tighten up, show respect to both these MCs, y'all.
Look, now I ain't getting hostile, but that shit is a fossil. Bitch, you look like you could sniff a chicken taco up one of your freaking nostrils. My shit is colossal. You having an off day. Since you don't understand, let me talk with a soft J. Listen, Jonny. You yuppie through conclusions. You crack a lot of yolks, but that shit is not amusing. You think that you a Yanyan, but to me there is no equal. From now on, I call you little Yanni Stormanito. Cause you a motherfucking snitch. It's no respect in the streets for you. When niggas spot you on the block, they go, ah, la policia. Cause you working with the Fed, you probably jerk them in the bed, so perverted in the head, you mix detergent with your meds. But if somehow this fucking clown subdues and I buckle down and lose, it won't matter. Besides the one with Mosh, most of your battles only average like a couple thousand views. And that's on a good night. I never seen a Guatemalan golem, but I bet this is what he would look like. Look, you ain't prepared for the drama. You got that long ass hair. I didn't know if you was High Collide or Sarah Connor.
Look, in my mind, you didn't exist till grind time. You's a bump sign to front line. That don't even need a punchline. Yo, now he's from Richmond, California. That's right, gritty Richmond. Now don't worry, y'all. I know what you're really thinking. You ain't the only ones that didn't know his city existed. But Locksmith says it has the prettiest bitches, and I bet they pussy smell like Floridian fishes. Shit, yo, Direct said we got a monster for you. His name's Locksmith. Yeah, even Disaster claimed you're the Loch Ness, but ain't nothing about him monstrous. So we might have pronounced your name wrong, cause I think Lock's a myth. Yo, I'm on my shot of shit. Who you get dollars with? You only got signed to Frontline because they wanted to see this llama spit. Shit. Yo, you lucky I ain't breaking your neck. I seen this bummy lame eating fucking monkey brains on Faces of Death. He ain't grind time worthy, and you think that I'm worried like I can't see the guy that lost a blind fury?
Blind theory. Look, now see, I usually spit the truth and drop the facts for you to hear, but you never did shit, so there's nothing factual to fear. But you a funny motherfucker, something laughable to cheer. That's the difference between a corny battle rapper and a real MC with an actual career. Ooh. But you the best in Orlando. What a credible image. That's like saying you the smartest motherfucker at the Special Olympics. And no disrespect to this division, but you know I gotta spaz. That's like saying you can whoop everybody's ass in a junior karate class. See, this nigga's trash. You lack aggression for starters. My confession and offer, never did I expect upon my Western departure that I would have to battle Nacho Libre's wrestling partner. You South American Sambo, you can't match me, chump. You've been preparing this battle for the last 3 months. Like, I want to eat Lock so bad. No homo. I want to beat Lock so bad. No homo. I want to meet Lock so bad. No homo. But every time he say no homo, nigga, you sound so homo. But props to Surgeon General, the real criminal with a predicate. This nigga's too delicate. You should have kept him in Connecticut or Rhode Island or whatever, because you know he a lying mess. No, you a lioness. Try and test, and I'll report your monkey ass to the INS.
Yo, look. Yo. See, you act like you a vet, but you don't know much. That's why you just Grind Time's promo slut. Bitch, you's a bum. I'm younger with more funds. You're like 30 hurting. Cause this Slurpee serving dirty Persian thinks he's hot, but that's just his herpes burning. Yo, who the fuck said this faggot is sick? He only came to rip it because they paid his plane ticket. But the fact that you missed is y'all gonna be accessories when this guy snaps, hijacks, and crashes the shit. I guarantee this man will get killed looking like Bobby Valentino standing on stilts. Shit. Yo, you need to chill, nerd. Try to spit a real verse, because cats on the front line always get killed first. Yo, and you getting murdered, Lock? You ain't from no urban block. You grew up in Iran in your pop's turban shop, wearing his golden robe and purple socks. He played tennis with stones. That's what he calls serving rocks. Yo, check it out. Lock is a joke. This queer loves cock in his throat. Shit, you the only suicide bomber that's not gonna blow.
Time. Hey, yo, make some fucking noise.